Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install legal files for case management, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the legal files website. Locate the download section on the home page. Select the appropriate version of legal files for your operating system. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen prompts to accept the license agreement. Choose the installation directory or accept the default location. Click Next to proceed with the installation process. Wait for the program to install on your system. Once installation is complete, click Finish to exit the installer. Locate the legal files icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Double-click the icon to launch the application for the first time. Upon opening, you will be prompted to enter your license key. Enter the license key provided during your purchase. Click Activate to validate your license. Familiarize yourself with the software interface. Explore the various menus and options available for case management. Set up your user profile by navigating to the Settings menu. Input your contact information and preferences. Create your first case by selecting New Case from the dashboard. Fill in the required fields with case details. Save your new case to complete the setup. Utilize the Help section for additional support and resources. Consider watching tutorial videos for in-depth features. Your legal files installation is now complete, and you are ready to begin managing your cases efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.